Hi everyone, myself Kayur Garala and welcome to my new Sitecore Commerce video. In this video, I am going to show you Deploy Experience Platform 10.0. After successfully installation platform Experience Platform 10.0, I am going to install Sitecore Commerce 10.0. Before start, I have already installed SQL Server and Solar in my local PC, so I'm not go throughout that particular installation part of Solar and SQL. Apart from that, this is a really quick video so that you can know that how quickly you can install a Sitecore Commerce in your local environment. So let's get started. For the installation Sitecore Experience Platform, we require the setup file. So dev.sitecore.net, you just need to go over there and click on the download button. Once you click, it's open entire Sitecore Experience Platform 10.0 page, which highlight all the new features available in 10.0 and all the package. For this installation, I require graphical package XP single for my local environment. So I have already downloaded this package in my local environment and unzip into one folder. So this is all the file. I am directly hit on the setup so that we are quickly install first part. So let me just start it. So I am going to install the prerequisites. It's basically install all the SIF version kind of the things in your local environment. So let me just fast forward all the installation and jump into the next step. Now all prerequisites successfully installed in my local environment. Next part is the Solar. I have already installed Solar in my local environment. So let me just open that particular Solar URL. So Solar 8.4.0 already installed in my local environment. So I'm going to skip this part, and next part I just need to give the instance name and admin password and select my Sitecore license. So I'm going to just browse and select my Sitecore license. Okay, and then next I need to give the SQL instance name, username and password. In next step I need to give the Solar URL, folder name and Solar service name. Next step, setup asking you for the if you want to install SXA. In this I don't want to install SXA, so I am not clicking this SXA. I just click on the next. It's give you a entire summary of your variable and validate each and everything. Once it's validate, I am going to install this all the things in my local environment. So let me just fast forward this installation. Now Sitecore Experience Platform 10.0 successfully installed in my local environment. Let me just open Sitecore site. Let me just open editor and show you the version of the Sitecore. So Sitecore 10.0 experience platform successfully installed in my local environment. Now let me jump into the part 2. In this part we are going to deploy experience commerce in local environment. Before started deployment, I need to download some of the setup and install in my local environment. First, we are require commerce uh, zip file from this dev.sitecore.net, and apart from this we also require .NET Core 3.1. I have already set up .NET Core in my local environment. We are also require OData connection service for the Visual Studio and Node.js and Redis case 3.0 and above. So this is a Redis case 3. I am going to install 3.2.1 and MS Build Microsoft Visual Studio Web Targets and SXA 10.0.0. Now I have a download all the things in my local environment and put into the one folder. So let me install one by one all the things. First, let me just install Redis cache. So I'm going to click on installation and let me fast forward this thing so that we are quickly jump into the deployment task. Now basic installation part is completed. Now MS Build, I am not going to installation. This is a package file, so I am not going to install this. Rather than installation, I just rename it on zip file, and we just require one DLL in from this particular package file. So let me just unzip entire things, open the folder. Yes. Copy this DLL. We just require this DLL only. So I am going to copy this DLL from this zip file or package file into our deployment folder. I have already created the deploy folder in C drive and put entire Sitecore commerce zip and deployment related file over here. Apart from this, I am also created one folder which hold SXA, PowerShell module and this Microsoft DLL, which require for the deploy your commerce into your local environment. So let me just unzip SIF folder, commerce folder, which hold script for deployment commerce in your local environment. So let me just open that particular folder. This is a script which we need to modify for the deploy our commerce into our Sitecore experience platform. So let me just open this entire things. So this is a PowerShell script. Before deployment, I need to put my original value into this variable or PowerShell script so that it's easily identify your SQL server and your Sitecore Experience Platform URL and all the things. So let me just replace all the things. So let me quickly put all the variable over here. So now I am put all the variable which require for deployment commerce into the local environment. Let me just quick things. First I am put a folder name, then MS Build DLL path. Apart from the MS Build DLL path, I am also modify SXA path and PowerShell module path. So basically I am created one folder and put all the things over there. So I just modify that all everything. Apart from this, I am give the Sitecore instance name and identify server name and root folder name, my Sitecore root folder name, and Xconnect root folder name or folder path over here, SQL server name, username and password, and last I am put my Solar URL, Solar folder path name, and Solar service name. All this variable I require for installation Sitecore Commerce 10.0. Let me just show you all the things. So now all looking good according to me. Let me just run this script. Let's identify all the things and start to install commerce into the your Sitecore Experience Platform 10.0. So now installation is going on. Yes, so let me just fast forward each and everything so that we jump into the last section of this setup. Now deployment is completed without any error. Now let me just go to the browser side and open our storefront. All the commerce part is installation or deployment successfully into our Sitecore Experience Platform. Let me just open one of the product, add to the cart. All work good. The card. Let me open Sitecore side as well. So you can see a commerce tool over here. You can manage catalog and all the things from this tool. This is a default product and default catalog. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.